Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix slow keyboard response in Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility. Click Keyboard, turn off filter keys. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Keyboard. Change repeat rate to fast, click Apply, click OK. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select keyboard model, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.